after speed. Thank you. Thank you, Steve.
Freehold.
Drink up, drink up. The world's about to end.
Get off the beach. I'm about to be rebar again.
We've been in here for a good 6 days. Running out of supplies.
Toes are black.
Toes are black. It's been a crazy blizzard. I think we're ready to ascend. It's sundown.
Doing this for you.
Yeah. Getting this from Egypt, for Chicago, for America. For
bull pizzle. You frogs don't know a hopping hell about American crime. Leave it to me and the boys in black and blues. We're ready to terrorize every small shopkeeper and roust every decent citizen out of his private home.
I don't think Chief Moriarty
Members of the acid scene are no longer underground. Their widely dilated pupils are inevitably shielded from the light by dark glasses, whether the users are dropping caps while seated in the back of a motorcycle or languishing in a movie theater watching the last year of Marienbad or Juliet of the Spirits. Surrealistic films which have heightened meaning for those who are turned on. It's a disenchanted, restless, insecure generation, continually searching for
seatbelt for my leg, seatbelt for my head. Wait a second, this isn't arriving.
the crevasse.
This isn't arriving.
a 19-year-old expresses her feelings.
Well, I never think of when I'm 21 is tomorrow. Or this minute. And hope there's tomorrow.
When you like,
Because I don't like what's going on in the world. I'm scared of that. More than drugs. I'm not afraid of them.